Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this video I am going to give you the source codes of the ad integration, and you will also get the source code for our previous two videos which were created for the banners Admob ad integration and industrial Admob ad integration. And in this video you will get all the ad integration source code for our banner ad, industrial ad, native ads in that uh, templates, advanced options, then muting ad system, native video ads, rewarded industrial ad. This all apps source code I am going to give you in both language, Java language as well as in Kotlin language also. So basically in this video I am going to give you the link where you can download all the source codes for the Admob ads integration. So first of all you have to write Admob ads integration. So you have to Google search it, then you will find get started for Android. Now here you will get started page in Admob ads. So here you will find some integration of Google mobile ads, and first it is mandatory to add this dependency to your build.gradle file, and also add this Google as we had learned in banner and industrial ad implementation. So these both are necessary to add. Then you have to write move downward and update your Android manifest file. So in that you have to write metadata for your application ID and Admob. So you have to write google com.google dot means just copy this and replace the application ID. Then move down and initialize the mobile ads like this way, mobile ads dot initialize this, and here instead of these lines you can also give your mobile you can also give your application ID, and if you want to write this then you can write it. Now here you will find that we have to select the ad that we want to integrate. So here it is saying select an ad format. After you add this mobile SDK of ads, you have to see what you have to implement. So if you want to implement banner ad, then you can click on implement a banner. If you want to add an industrial ad, then you can click on that. Here is native ad, and here is rewarded. So I am going to show you with new APIs as well as rewarded. So I had opened all this ad formats link in new pages. Now I am going to give you a hint of how to download it. So first click on banner ads and move downward. So if you understand this documentation, then you can follow this documentation, like we have to add this lines of code in our main activity.xml file. Then we can also write it alternatively in our main activity.java file like this, and we can test this like this, and we can load our ad by doing this type of request. And if you understand, basically this is the banner ad implementation, so you will understand it easily. But in native ads you need some knowledge of integration. So if you don't have that, then you can simply download a source code and copy paste all the codes and just replace your ad ID that you create. So here you can see that on load this type of respond also is given. So if we don't understand it, then we can simply download the source code and change it accordingly. So here you can see that our banner size is width. So this is important. If you write banner in your ad size, then you will get the width on height like this. If you write large banner, then you will get like 320 into 100. If you write medium rectangle, then you will get 300 into 250. Then these three type of banner is applicable in phone and tablets, and full banner and leaderboard is available in tablets only. And you can also add this adaptive banner or smart banner, as I had shown you the integration of all that. Next, we have to move down, and here you will find the samples. So here is video tutorials, and here is samples to GitHub. Here is our example. So it will load to a banner example, and here you will find app, source main, example, m activity, and here you will find all the implementation for banner ad. And if you want to add the industrial ad, then I'm just showing you how to get all this source code. So move down at last, and here you will find a sample code for Java. So you have to click on that. So you will redirect it to this, so you can download this file, else you can move to native ad implementation and just move down, and here you will find native advanced guide, and here you will find one sample. Just move down, and here you will get download native advanced example. So I am giving you this link in the description of our video, so you can just move to it, and you will finally get this page where you can download all the zip files. So here is for Admob adaptive banner example. So you can download it in Java format or Kotlin format. Admob banner example in Java Kotlin. In Admob industrial example Java and Kotlin. Admob rewarded video examples, Admob native advanced example, then Ad Manager API demo, banner recycler view example. It is just available in Java only, so it will just this will not implemented in Kotlin. Then we have some assets files also, so you can see this all assets also. Now I am going to show you with Admob native advanced example. So you have to click on that, and here you can see that you will download it file. So here you can see that I had already downloaded it. So I am going to click on show in folder. So it is here. I just open it in my editor of code. Now here click on add native advanced, and here you will find the same flow of your project. So you have to open this project. If you want to open this project in Android Studio, then I am going to show you with that also, but you can open it in your video editor, and I am using Sublime. So you will see like this. So here you can see that for native ads it is like this. Here we have to write add unit, so just replace this with your add unit and all thing will work fine. So here you can see that the amount of code that is showing. So you can just imagine that this much lines of code we have to write to just show a native ad, and here there is two XML files also. So this is the full layout of our ad, and here is our activity main. So this much code you have to write. You can just copy this code into your Android Studio and you will learn the implementation of all this adaptive banner, industrial ad, reward ad, video ad, native ad of Admobs. So I think you will like our tutorial of this Android tutorial. If you really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Android tutorials to learn more videos. Thanks for watching.